a big pot of chili mac. This ain't no hamburger helper. This is quality ingredients with high quality chilies. There's a time and a place for the red powder. This ain't it. Now you want to become acquainted with chilies, the dried variety. Poblanos dried become anchos. But you don't want them too dried. You want them to be a little chewy. Anchos and chili colorados, seeds removed. People often spend good money on meat, but forget about the beans, which hopefully you remembered to soak before you went to work today. Soaked and started in fresh water with garlic, bay leaves, and oregano. But you don't want tough skins, so hold off on the salt until the beans are 3/4 of the way cooked through. Toasting your chilies ahead releases the beast. You'll smell that colorado first. And when you press it to the pan, see it dimple like that? That's those compounds being released. Same for the ancho. See it get all shiny and puff up? Chili powder's not going to taste like that. Those beans get chili flavor and those chilies get hydrated. Spicy garlicky chorizo has got plenty of fat to get this dish started. Chorizo and onions. It's already smelling good in here. Not just any pepper, hatch green chili. If you can't get those, roast up one of those poblanos. Make a hole. Time to toast off some garlic and tomato paste. I'm going to sneak a little olive oil on that garlic. That's better. 1.5 pounds of Hamburger. The cheap shit is fine. Salt, pepper, and the signature American chili flavor, cumino, but just 1/2 teaspoon. We got to get that cooked and broken down. Those chilies are soft now. Well, we want them to disappear as if they're powder. Rich red chili. The powdered stuff never tasted like that. And don't stir them too much. We want to keep that creamy texture. Every bean is different, and whether or not you soak them makes a difference too. But if you can squish them with a fork and they still a little grainy, they're ready for the salt. And that meat mixture you made earlier. Let them marry, but don't disturb it too much. Quality beans and quality pasta is important too. That milky texture shows me this is bronze dyed 100% semolina pasta. You always cook pasta in plenty of water and plenty of salt. Once that pasta is cooked, add it to the chili. But never wash off that excess starch. That's going to help make this perfect. That starch is going to make the consistency of this chili mac perfect in about 10 minutes. There you go. In Cincinnati, they do chili over spaghetti. This is more like chili mac. And at Skyline, they put the proper amount of cheese too. Onions, cilantro, avocado, and sour cream. This isn't a 5-way, this is more like an 8-way.
That smells so good. Creamy beans, rich chili, and chorizo. Yeah. With the avocado and the fresh onions and all that. Ooh, this is a crowd pleaser for sure.
I could eat this all day.
Creamy beans, pasta, chili. It's kind of like Tex Mex pasta Fagioli.
And because we use green and red chili, technically it's Christmas chili mac.
Who doesn't love Christmas chili? Well, except your vegan friends, and they can off anyway, right?